Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in the past I made a couple of stone projects onto the channel, and most of them are made from leftover material of marble and granite. And if you like this video, then I would recommend to visit the channel page or link in the description section to watch these video. I bet that you will definitely like those videos as well. So the idea about this build came in the mind in March 2019 when we started the work onto the marble and stainless steel planter. And during that build there are a couple of pieces left out, and instead of throwing them away, we decided to build something from them. And at that time we cut down those pieces into 1-inch wide strips. Later on I buy some scrap acrylic, and to straighten up all those pieces I build a straightening jig and use these toggle clamps so that I am able to hold down that material during the cutting process. And this thing works as I want it to be, and the result is quite good. So after the grinding, the material has been ready to cut down to the required length. Then I set up my jig, and in this case I'm using a speed square. I slightly raise my workpiece so that the blade will not touch the bottom surface, and I also tilt down the circular side and angle so that I am able to make a hexagon. And in this case the angle is 30 degree, and this jig works as I want it to be. So at this stage I found that the acrylic is not going to diffuse the light because it's very clear. So to do that process I decided to sand it up to 150 grit. I kept the grit size slightly higher so that I'm able to get more diffusion, and I repeat this process onto both sides, and it's work as I want it to be, and the result is quite acceptable. Although if you are able to find those white frosty acrylic, then I would highly recommend to go with that. So after drilling and tapping the holes, I counted the holes for the top so that the bolt will sit it completely flush to the surface, and later on I assemble all of the pieces and install the finial as well. And for the lighting I am using this RGB LED bulb which comes with the remote. Later on I place the lamps onto the place and mark the whole location, drill down them with the diamond drill, and fill out all the holes with 2-bar epoxy resin so that I can screw the lamp to its place. So again, if you like this video then definitely hit the like button, and also visit the channel page to watch the other videos, and I highly recommend to check the description section for those videos. I bet that you will definitely like them. Till then, bye, have a great day.